Oh, there he is. Nipa Bass Quests. First bass on here today. We're trying to do a little spawning fishing here, but so far it looks like we're only getting this little guy. This hooked pretty deep. Actually, he ate it. Pretty good. We're using chartreuse and blue crankbait here for Strike King. I mean, this is a little dink of the ninker here. Well, we're gonna get back to you. Hopefully catch something bigger. Nipa Bass Quests. What are you using? Frog? Oh, Senko. Oh, dude, that's a nice bass.
Senko.
Careful. Look at him. Like Iconelli.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
What do we got?
Nothing special, but it looks like a male.
It's a nice one, dude.
On the Slurpy Senko.
Slurp.
Eating though.
We got her back in.
There we go. It's nice. It's got some weight to him.
Yeah.
Alright, Nipa Bass Quest. Mike's got a snake on?
Snakehead here. Another pickerel off the frog.
Pickerel.
About the same size.
Yeah. It's a nice pickerel. What are you using here?
This is Booyah Pad Crasher frog.
Booyah Pad Crasher.
The pickerel are hitting it, but the bass aren't yet.
Yeah, the water's still a little bit cold. Snakes.
Snakes. Nice.
Nipa Bass Quest. Just got this nice bass.
Nice pounder.
Yeah, nice pounder. Slow morning to the start, but the sun's starting to come up now, starting to warm up the water. Still, they're not spawning yet, so I don't know when they're gonna spawn, but actually, oh wait, look at the back of the tail.
Yeah.
See that? Little
yep.
blood on the tail.
Oh, they might just be making the nests right now too, though.
Yeah.
The beds. Well, we'll see. We'll see what we can do.
We're gonna keep fishing these pads. We'll tune back in once we get hooked up.
Oh, he got off! Oh!
What do you got to say about that one?
Not too happy, buddy. Not too happy.
Trying to christen the Veritas. Better luck next time.
Get back. Pounder. Did you see that bass? Oh. Dude, I'm gonna need the net. Oh my god. Just net him. Oh, dude. Yeah!
Woo!
Dude, I'm shaking.
You gotta say for yourself, man.
I have cottonmouth. My pole's all screwed up.
Let some slack out a little bit.
I'm just...
It's a nice bass, man.
No, it's not the 5 pounder. I was pumped, but I don't know, man.
That's a good 3.5.
Oh yeah, 3.5.
Hands down. Hitting the top water.
On the frog.
Booyah, baby.
Dude, look at that. She wanted that frog. Look at that. Right in there. Right in there, buddy.
She got any
Barely
eggs in her or what?
I don't know. Yeah, it looks like it.
Let me
Nothing on
see.
the tail. Nothing on the tail, but that's a nice 3-pound bass.
Hold it up.
Baby.
Nice bass.
Put her back. Keep on fishing.